here we are in my garden. And as you can see behind me, got some amazing fresh lettuce growing. And we're gonna use some of the romaine today to make an amazing cumin shrimp salad with avocado, tomato, and red onion. So let me show you how we do it. Let's go. Okay, as you can see, there's a variety of amazing fresh lettuces growing here, different species, but we're gonna focus today on this beautiful, huge romaine lettuce. What's super nice about this is you can pick it right at the base. You can see how beautiful that romaine is, and it just continues to grow time after time after time. So we're just gonna pick enough for us to have a salad tonight. So there's some beautiful leaves. So you can see here, like, look at the size of those. Huge, huge romaine leaves. So I'm gonna say we're gonna probably need about, maybe 6 or 7, as this is gonna be a supper salad. Full bowl of fresh, just picked, homegrown romaine. Can't wait to get this cut up, cleaned, and make this beautiful salad. Let's go. So what I'm gonna do now is I wanna marinate my shrimp. So I'm gonna show you this marinade that I came up with. Gonna mix that all together, get those marinated, and then we're gonna make our dressing. So I'm gonna start with roughly 5 tablespoons of avocado oil. I think that was 5. A tablespoon of Sriracha. A tablespoon of cumin. Half tablespoon of some smoked paprika, as well as some salt and pepper. And you'll start to see how that starts becoming a beautiful color. It just becomes kind of a loose paste, I guess. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna slice a lemon in half, and then we're just gonna basically juice some lemon. Give that a quick stir. And then, basically, I'm gonna pour that over. I've got 20 shrimp here, so I'm gonna do 4 skewers.
How many shrimps do you have to eat before you make your skin turn pink?
And just gently give them a toss so that we don't damage the shrimp, but you want to make sure that they're fully coated. That's our shrimp marinade. So now let's move on to our dressing. Okay, so our dressing is very, very simple. So I'm just gonna measure out 1/4 cup. Gonna do our cumin here, just over a tablespoon there. A tablespoon of honey. And that should help balance out that Sriracha that we had marinated our shrimp in. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, lemon. Now, I'm a big fan of cold dressings, so I am definitely going to get this into the fridge and get it chilled down before we get ready to eat. The other thing I should add, it's always good to taste stuff. So give your dressing a quick taste. Does it need something? So I'm gonna probably add a little bit of salt to that. And again, everybody's taste is different, but for me, that's what that needs. And yeah, we're good to go. I'm just finishing up skewering these shrimp here. I'm doing 4 per skewer. Big, beautiful shrimp, and we're gonna actually barbecue these. I leave the tails on for 2 reasons. 1, I think it looks cool. And 2, I think it adds a little bit of flavor when you cook the shrimp with the tail on. Obviously, we're gonna remove that tail before we put it in the salad. So you'll see we have some leftover marinade here, and I'm just gonna basically take my spoon and give that a quick drizzle over our shrimp. Just gonna slice up some red onion. Got some beautiful cherry tomatoes I'm gonna slice in half. You don't have to. I just like when they're cut in half, they're just easier. They don't explode everywhere if you bite into them or whatever. So yeah, we're just gonna cut up some onion like we've done many, many times before. If you don't like raw onion, don't put it in. Shrimps off the grill, sitting on a plate resting, a little tent over it. Now we've got our beautiful romaine, cut, clean, washed, ready to go. Avocado. I'm gonna show you a little trick. Hopefully I can pull this off. Cut your avocado in half. Give it a little pull. You basically just cut depending on the size of the avocado. This one I'm gonna do 2, and then a couple this way. And then hopefully, there's some nice chunks of avocado popping out. So it's gonna add some tomato, pretty healthy amount of tomato here, and then a red onion. Let me know what you think. Did you like this? Did you try it? I'm all about supper salads, especially when it's hot and humid in the summer. You come home, you make a beautiful, fresh, quick salad that doesn't take a whole lot of time, that's super healthy, tastes amazing. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next episode.